For our next video, we're going to show you how to find a draft or create a draft lobby yourself that you can run this using our tools here on Discord. So if you see on our Discord that I have open right now, we have this lobbies channel where if there's any open lobbies that are already available, you can see them here, like this one for example. If there's none here or you're not particularly interested in this lobby, this is a standard draft. Standard drafts would be a best 2 out of 3. Every single draft here would be what we're expecting to be Swiss, right? So standard draft would be 2 out of 3. Let's say I don't have time for this, I want to do a quick draft instead. I'm going to go ahead and create a quick draft. So what I'm going to do is type in /create to create a new lobby and hit enter. When I do that, the bot will then give me a link right here to the admin page for this particular one. And then I can go ahead and edit the details. So I have to edit the details, I need to click right here on this advanced config button. I can click on that. This will open up a link into the TourneyBot section here. You'll have to log into Discord in order to do this the first time. Once that's in place, you can then change this. I recommend that you put either quick draft or standard draft in here so players will know which one it is. So here we're doing a quick draft and the draft host, just to differentiate. So if you're doing a quick draft, you want best 1 out of 1. You want to make sure to change this bracket type to Swiss, and by default we get 3 Swiss rounds here. So I'll go ahead and save changes and go back to the Discord. You can see here this has been updated. Once this is ready, then you can go ahead and click publish, which is this megaphone here. Just go ahead and click submit on the published text, and then click no to make this tournament discoverable on TourneyBot's website. We don't want to do that. So once you do this, then this will now be available in the lobby. So if I go back to lobbies, you can see that the quick draft is now available as well as the standard draft. So as a player then, I'm going to go ahead and register to be a part of this particular lobby. Once I do that, if I'm not already involved as the host, I will then get access to these channels for this particular draft. Let me join it with the second player here so that we can see what this looks like from a hosting perspective and from a playing perspective. So now we can see that we have 2 players here, which is enough to actually start it. Typically you probably wouldn't be doing this as 2 players, but you get the idea from the demonstration. So as the admin, I'm going to go ahead and here to admin, and then I'm going to start the check-in period. So whenever you get enough players or you want to get started, you click on this check-in button here, click confirm, and what this will do, will ask the existing players that are registered to check in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, both players. Typically you have a few minutes to do this. I can then see as the admin, okay, both players are checked in. I'm going to go ahead and end the check-in period. And then I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to start the tournament. Click confirm, and this will get started. So now this will automatically create your matches with threads for the different matches here. You can of course also as a group join the quick draft. You can also join the voice chat that's been added as well. But if you're a player, then you'll get tagged in here for your match and who you should be playing. At this point you should be chatting with your opponent to set up a custom game and pick the password so that you can both join the game. Once you've played your match, you should go here to score. So if it's a quick draft blend of 1, you would just enter 1, 0. If it's a best 2 out of 3, you should put in the number of games each player won, so 3, 2. And then you'll go through and play out the match. You can also take a look at the bracket anytime. If I click on the view bracket button. And that'll allow you to play a draft Swiss here within their Discord.